This is Donald Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making walnut sticky buns. We're going to need 3 to 3 1/4 cup flour, a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of chopped walnuts, a 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons butter, a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of honey, 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 3/4 cup warm water, enough potatoes to make a half a cup of mashed potatoes without milk or butter, 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg at room temperature, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is peel our potatoes and cut our potatoes into small pieces. I'm actually going to cook mine in the microwave and smash them. I'm going to cook mine for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We're going to take our 3/4 cup warm water, and our warm water should be about 110 degrees. It'll be warm to touch, but not too warm that we can't stick our finger in it. We're going to add 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast to our warm water, and then we're going to stir until it's dissolved. Once our yeast is dissolved, we're going to set it aside for 5 minutes. In a large mixing bowl, we're going to combine half a cup of mashed potatoes. Remember, they're without butter or milk, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of melted butter, our yeast mixture, until they're thoroughly combined. We're going to slowly add in our 3 1/4 cup flour. We're going to put our dough on a floured surface, and we're going to knead it for about 6 minutes. We're going to take our kneaded dough and put it in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise for 1 hour. Now for our topping, we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan, add our 1/4 cup of honey, and our half a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to stir our ingredients together, and once the brown sugar is dissolved, we're going to add our half a cup of walnuts, and we're going to stir those in. Now we're going to take our topping and spread it across the bottom of our pan. We're going to take our dough and put it on a lightly floured surface. We're going to roll this out to about 18 by 12. That looks about right. So now it's time to melt a tablespoon of butter. We're going to take our tablespoon of melted butter and spread it across our dough. Now we're going to take a 1/4 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon, and we're going to put it on top. And I'm going to use my brush to brush that across. Now we're going to roll. We're going to go lengthwise and just gently roll our dough. We're going to cut this into 12 even pieces, and I'm going to start by going to the middle and scoring it, and going into the middle there and scoring it, and going over here and scoring halfway. Next, I'm going to cut this into thirds, so I'm going to just eyeball it and score it. And we're just going to go ahead and cut all the way down. Now we're going to stick these on top of the topping. We're going to cover these with a clean kitchen towel and let them set for 30 minutes. We're going to bake this for 35 minutes at 350 degrees. Now we're going to take them immediately out of our pan and flip them upside down. These walnut sticky buns look amazing. They smell delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.